Welcome friends, welcome to Flavors by Amit. Today we are going to make butterscotch sauce. Ingredients we need: sugar, half a cup. I'm using white sugar here. I find if you use white sugar, taste is much better. Butter 50 grams, chicken cream half a cup, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. What we're going to do here, we're going to melt the butter, brown the sugar, then we add the cream, and then we add the vanilla essence. So let's start the recipe, friends. It's very easy recipe. Okay friends, so let's start the recipe. I'll put the pan on a very low flame. Add the butter. Let it melt a little bit. Once it's melted, we're going to add the sugar. To make the process easier, you can use the brown sugar, then you don't have to caramelize the sugar. I find that's much better. It gives you nice, natural, authentic taste. Now the butter is melted. I'm going to add the sugar. I'm going to caramelize the sugar on very slow heat. It's going to take a bit of time, but the taste you get at the end, it's very good. Just keep stirring, otherwise it's gonna burn the sugar. It's not gonna caramelize. So this is the hard part. But I made the recipe, so it won't be that hard to make. As you can see friends, sugar is turning into slightly brown. Just a little bit more. Adding the butter first, it really makes it easier for you to caramelize the sugar. Otherwise, 9 out of 10 times it's going to stick to the pan and it's give you the burnt flavor. So this one is coming out very nice, as you can see. Okay friends, sugar is melted and it's nice, slightly caramelized. So on this stage, we're going to add the cream. We're going to add bit by bit. Okay friends, the sauce is ready. Now we're going to add the vanilla extract, vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon. And we're going to turn this gas off. If your sauce gets lumpy, sugar gets hard, don't be scared. Just let it stir and all the sugar lumps will go away. As you can see in my sauce, there's a few lumps as well, so you don't have to be scared. But once it's all melt, everything is nice and smooth. Okay friends, the sauce is ready. What we're going to do, we're going to strain this sauce and we're going to serve this one with sticky date pudding or cream caramel, or you can use it with any other cake you like, or use it as a chocolate sauce, chocolate topping, or toffee sauce.